In this video, I will show you how to remove bookmarks on Google Chrome. So in this easy to follow guide, I will show you exactly how to delete unwanted bookmarks in Chrome and keep your bookmarks organized and clutter-free. Whether you want to remove a single bookmark, clean up old saved websites, or delete bookmarks you no longer need, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily. Before we get started, if this video helps you out, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials, browser tips, and easy to follow tech guides. So to get started with this, as you can see, I've got a Google Chrome browser opened, and you can see I've got a few different bookmarks in my bookmarks bar at the top. Now, there's a couple here I no longer use, so to delete these or remove them, all you need to do is come up to the top right-hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open this menu, and then come and hover over the bookmarks and this option. From the submenu that comes up, you want to click to open your bookmarks manager. You can also hold down Control Shift and press O on your keyboard, which is the shortcut, and that's going to bring up all my current bookmarks. To delete any of these, just simply come to the right hand side of the bookmark you want to delete, click onto the three dots where it says more actions, and you're going to see on this menu the option to delete. Give that a click. As you can see in the bottom left hand corner, we're going to get a confirmation saying this has been deleted, and you can see it's now been removed from my bookmarks bar at the top. So that is how to remove bookmarks on Google Chrome. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Chrome and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.